In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require a deposit on Square appointments. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that want to ensure commitment from clients when booking appointments. As we go through the process, I'll walk you through each step, providing tips and context to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, let's navigate to the Square Appointments website. This is where you'll be managing your appointment settings. Once you've landed on the page, you'll need to sign into your account. If you haven't already done so, simply click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. After entering your credentials, you'll be directed to your Square dashboard. This is your command center for managing appointments, reviewing transactions, and accessing various settings. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Appointments section. Clicking here will open a menu dedicated to all things related to your appointment scheduling. This is where you can set policies, check schedules, and configure notifications that fit the needs of your business. Next, you want to navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings area, you'll have the ability to adjust various options tailored to how you want to manage appointments. Here is where your control over appointments really comes to life, as you can refine every detail from how far in advance appointments must be made to how clients interact with your booking interface. From the Settings menu, find Payments and Cancellations. This section is where you can set conditions regarding deposits and cancellations, ensuring that your business is protected against no-shows while also maintaining a professional relationship with clients. By requiring a deposit, you create a level of commitment that can reduce appointment cancellations and boost your business's efficiency. Inside Payments and Cancellations, you'll find options to customize the deposit requirements to suit your business's specific needs. You can set a fixed deposit amount or calculate it as a percentage of the total service cost. Consider setting up a deposit that reflects the value of your time and services. As this can vary depending on the industry and the nature of your appointments, make sure to clearly communicate your deposit policy to your clients to minimize misunderstandings. Once you've set your desired deposit criteria, save the changes to ensure they're implemented for all future appointments. This small configuration can lead to significant improvements in reducing last-minute cancellations and ensuring that your calendar is filled with confirmed and committed clients. And there you have it. Requiring a deposit on Square appointments is a great strategy for improving business efficiency and ensuring customer commitment. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Don't hesitate to explore more options within the Square Appointments platform to further customize your business operations. Stay organized, reduce no-shows, and continue growing your business with more reliable clientele. Thank you for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.